Hello students, I was explaining you the cost of equity shares. Under the cost of equity shares, there are two methods. They are dividend yield method and dividend growth method. Okay, when the growth rate is given in the problem, then it is a growth method. I have done two problems already under growth method. This is a third problem wherein they have given you four companies together. You can draw a table and calculate the cost of equity. Okay, so see here the serial number will given, companies are given, face value, dividend percentage, market price and growth rate. All these informations are already given in the problem. Now what we can do is statement of computation of cost of equity shares. Now in this case there are four companies. What you do is you draw the columns of company, then face value, dividend percentage, market dividend percentage. After that calculate dividend per share. Dividend per share is nothing but face value into percentage. If you multiply 10 into 40%, you will get 4 rupees, like that. Then market price, then growth rate, it is given in the problem, growth rate. Last one is KE divided by P into 100 plus Z. So columns are 1. Serial number you don't need because there itself we can write company, face value, dividend percentage, dividend per share, market price, growth rate and calculations. Okay, these columns you have to draw. Then write first company, Cosmo Limited, face value 10 rupees, dividend percentage 40. So for 10 into 40% you will get 4 rupees. Market price given 83. Then expected growth rate is given 3. Now what you have to do is 4 dividend percentage 4 per share 4 divided by market price 83. So 4 divided by 83 into 100 plus growth rate is 3%. Okay, so you will get 7.82%. 7.82%. Okay, next second company is Ecoplast. Ecoplast, that is face value 10 rupees, dividend percentage 15, market price 19, then expected growth rate 6. Okay, so then same you write it and multiply 10 into 15%, you will get 1.50. Then market price 19, so growth rate 6. So 1.50 divided by 19 into 100 plus growth 6%. So you will get 13.89%. Same way Ganware Polyester Limited, 10 rupees face value, dividend percentage 10. So 10 into 10% 1, market price 40, growth rate 5. So 1 divided by 40 into 100 plus 5% is a expected growth rate, so 7.5%. Polypex Corporation, 10 rupees is a face value, 80 rupees is a dividend percentage, so 10 into 80%. Then dividend per share 8 rupees, market price 115, growth rate 18. So 8 divided by 115 into 100 plus 8, you will get 14.96%. This is what you have to calculate. Okay, this is a that is you have to use a formula of KE divided by KE is equal to D divided by P into 100 plus G, and calculate and find out the value, and the answer will be in terms of percentage. Now next problem also you can see there are many companies given together. 8 companies are given, face value is given, percentage is given, market price is given, growth rate is given. Similarly, you have to draw the columns company, face value, dividend percentage. Now one more is dividend per share, market price, growth rate, and finally the calculations. Okay, so the same way we will see here also. See here, calculation. Face value percentage 18, 10 into 18%, 1.80, market price 34, growth rate 4. So 1.80 divided by 34 into 100 plus 4%. You calculate first this 1.80 divided by 34 into 100, you will get the value plus 4% added. First plus 4, you will get 9.29%. Okay, like that you have to calculate all this. This answer will be in terms of percentage. Okay, percentage answer. Like that, all the companies to get like that only we have to calculate. Like Coromandel Fertilizers, 2 rupees, face value 8 rupees. This one percentage of dividend. Then 2 into 85% into 1.70, 77.6. So 1.70 divided by 77 into 100 plus 6%, you will get 8.21. EID Parry, 2 rupees face value, 225%. So 2 into 225%, 4.50 divided by 281 market price into 100 plus growth rate 8%, you will get 9.6. Like that, Gujarat Narmada for 10 rupees face value, 38%. So 10 into 38%, 3.80. 3.80 divided by 103 into 100 plus 5%, you will get 8.69. Godavari Fertilizers face value 10 rupees, dividend percentage 20, 10 into 20%, 2 rupees. 2 divided by 78 into 100 plus a 5%, you will get 7.56. Okay. Gujarat State Fertilizers 10 into 15%, 1.50 and 190. 1.50 divided by 190 into 100 plus 6%, you will get 6.79%. National Fertilizers 10 into 10%, 1 rupees. 1 divided by 34 into 100 plus 4%, you will get 6.94%. Zuari Industries 10 into 18%, you will get 1.80. 1.80 divided by 234 into 100. 234 into 100, you will get plus 7%, you will get 7.77. Okay, so these are the answers you will get for the calculation when you calculate it. Okay, it is easy. All the values will be given in the problem. Dividend percentage you have to calculate and we use a formula and calculate. Okay, so any doubts you can clarify. This is the end of the first method, that is cost of equity. Under the that two methods I have finished. Next I will be calculating cost of preference shares. Okay, thank you.